Got a broken end, bent, or stripper bar? We got the emergency fix right here. Stay tuned. Welcome back to another tip video. My name is Rafael. I'm part of the ranking team. On today's episode, we will be talking about how to get your machine back in action. Now, let me be clear. Ideally, you should always replace a stripper bar with a new one. This is the best practice. But if you're stuck in the field and you can't afford the downtime waiting for the part to arrive, here's a reliable emergency fix. When you have a stripper bar broken, bent, or stripped like this, we recommend cutting off the end and welding a bolt on its place. A simple tack weld might hold for a day or two, but for any real work, we need a more solid weld. We're going to put a solid bead around the head of the bolt, tying it directly to the bar itself. This will hold until your new part arrives. That completes the job, and that should get you back up and running. We recommend to always have extra stripper bars in hand. You never know when you might need to replace another one. That's it for today's tip video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Till next time, have a good one.